Today's rock that I'm going to talk about is metamorphic rock. So metamorphic rock is actually made up of other rocks. So at one time, metamorphic rock was igneous rock or sedimentary rock. What happens was there was such great heat and pressure that it changed the rock into metamorphic rock through a process called compression. So something that was sedimentary rock was compressed and turned into metamorphic rock, or something that was an igneous rock was compressed because of heat and pressure, which is towards the Earth's core, and turned into metamorphic rock. So metamorphic rock takes the longest to create because it had to come from those other rocks. So metamorphic rock, some characteristics about that I want you to know. They are shiny, okay? They are shinier than igneous rock. They can have crystals because if it was once igneous rock, it's going to have those crystals in it. They can have fossils, which are the remains of dead plants or dead animals, because if it was once sedimentary rock, the fossils are still going to remain in there. Okay, so metamorphic rock, because it comes from other rocks, it can have those same characteristics, but the biggest thing is they are shinier. Sedimentary rock is not shiny at all, okay, but when it turns into metamorphic rock, it is. Some examples of metamorphic rock are marble, soapstone, and schist. And we've studied Grand Canyon National Park and Hawaii Volcano National Park, which have sedimentary and igneous rocks. Over time, once those rocks are compressed, they turn into metamorphic rock. So both of those national parks do have metamorphic rock. We have metamorphic rock around here as well. Over time, it is created. So here are three examples. We have marble, we have soapstone, and we have schist. So you'll see some of them have layers, some have crystals, some, it's hard to tell in the picture, but it might have fossils. Over time, because of heat and pressure, a lot of pressure creates compression, which turns it into a metamorphic rock.